Hey, today we're going to take a look at a solar-powered Mini 120X flagpole light, or is it just a flagpole light? Found some other uses for it. Purchased it from Amazon. It was supplied by Solar Light Mart, and the reason I picked this one is it had a larger solar array, swivels and turns so you can actually set it up. Same for the actual light. So we can use it for a flagpole light and hook that up for lighting up the sidewalk out front. The reason I like this versus some of the actual ones that are made for sidewalks is with the bigger solar array and the ability to move it around, I can set it up. With the weather and sunshine, it's not always sunny here, so there's some days that the lights won't come on at all, and I'd rather have function. Let's get 3 settings on the back. Get our switch here, it's off, and you've got high, medium, and low. The high setting, you'll get about 2 to 4 hours out of it. Medium, 6 to 8. I always leave mine on low just to give enough light for the pathway, because you can get over 12 hours. That will get you through the nights, even in the winter. This is a great option. So the first thing I'm going to do is test it, and the way I test it is I just take it and put solar array face down on the bench. I've connected it together for flagpole use. This is a great one. If you're a beginner and don't have extra materials laying around the house, it comes with 3 pipe clamps for 3 different size poles. So that makes it nice and easy. So we got this on here. Take this, hold this up, push it for the first setting. That's our high. There's medium. And there's low. So I'm leaving it on low so I can get more use out of it. Mounted on the pole with screws or bolts. You can do the same thing on a larger flagpole, but I like the pipe clamps for the flagpole. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to go out front and we're going to mount this as a patio light. Okay, first thing, we're going to mount our solar array, and we remember that this swivels and that, so we're going to actually mount this on top or post like so. We get that on. We can flip this around and turn it, and that's why I like this particular one. And we're going to take our light and we're going to mount it, because remember, it can swivel also. Get it nice and straight. Nice feature is the waterproof connector. Plug that in. Screw the water tight on. And we can set our light the way we want. Got it set up. For out here, solar array, the sun hits this side mostly. Most of the day from the morning on. So during the summer months, we get at least 10 hours of sunshine. And in the winter, at least 8. And so now you've got your patio walkway and your solar light. Next, we're going to go ahead and we'll go ahead and mount it onto our flagpole, because I'm going to use it to actually light up a water fountain that we have out front. So we're going to mount it to the flagpole, and we're going to use one of the supplied pipe clamps. The way you do this, if you notice, there's a hole on that side, hole on that side. So we're going to undo your pipe clamp, run our clamp wire through. So this can be a little tricky on your own. So I'm going to aim the light over that way, and I'll show you why. That inside up, and we'll be ready to go. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.